this Derek's?
Mm-hmm.
That's why it looks naked.
Our paint booth.
Really? Seriously? That works?
It could. Thing is like dusty. Hallelujah.
I thought this one peeled off like the back one did, so I started peeling it, but then I tore it.
So, are you trying to do it?
Wait, hold on, wait. I see some more shit under here. I think these are
Is this a clay bar?
What?
On your head?
No, that's a JB Weld.
I don't know about Wii Fest, I haven't got you.
No? They don't got that ghetto shit down here.
It is Long Beach.
There's nothing that I can reach it. It's like they built this car from the inside out. You know what I mean? Like, what tool goes in there, dude?
Alright, rip this apart.
Oh, yeah, like some wraps on it. Maybe this?
Dang, evening out your tan.
Wait, who the fuck just ran up my yard? Hey, you ready, Boogie?
I'm ready, dude.
Wait, hold on.
I'm not ready.
Make sure everything's good. I don't want to break anything that I need.
Oh yeah, the grill, dude.
Oh, the grill. Okay, hold on.
The reason you can't get the grill is because you screw right there.
Where?
No, that's inside.
Alan.
Okay, here. Where's this one?
Wait, there's no video? Oh, now you can.
Oh, she's back.
Just spinning.
Wait, can you get more?
Oh, wait, yeah, I think you're doing something now.
Alright.
They were selling a carbon fiber ignition. That shit looks nice.
Yes, we can split it.
Get some black. Ugh. You should get that, like... Thank you.
Your shoot is the wrong place.
I know. Devon's gonna lift you up and start taking your shoes.
Yeah, look at this fresh guy right here. You don't fuck around, huh? Look at...
Professional paint booth. Look at that, look at that, look at that. That's the paint gun holder. You know what I do? Just put it in there and twist. And just twist it.
I'm just scared of bacteria following me.
Ooh. Or if I post this video. finished product.
Shit, you can't see it.
Can't. Lower.
Right there.
Is that clear?
Yeah, it's clear with the...
Oh, are you shooting?
Hey, look, buddy, stopping. Hold on, Andy. Buddy, stopping.
I usually go high on 6 and 30.